Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making creamy chicken fettuccine alfredo. This recipe comes together quick. Begin by doing some prep first. Dice up a medium-sized onion, then either mince or press 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Slice 1 pound of baby bella mushrooms into thick slices. Then finely chop about 1/4 cup of fresh Italian parsley. To a large pot of boiling water, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook 1 pound of fettuccine pasta according to package instructions until al dente. Once the pasta has been cooked, drain and set it aside. For this recipe, we are using 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Clean up by removing any excess fat. If you are not into thighs, you can use chicken breast. Then slice into strips. You may also cut it into bite-sized pieces. Season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a quick toss. Now in a large pot or a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sauté the chicken until lightly brown and cook through about 5 to 7 minutes. If your pot is not large enough, you may need to sauté the chicken in batches. Then remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. Do not worry about the brown stuff at the bottom of the pot, that's where all the flavor is. In the same pot over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter, followed by 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now sauté the onion for about 3 minutes. Then add the sliced mushrooms and sauté for about 6 to 7 minutes. Stir the pot frequently so they cook evenly. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Add the garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Then deglaze the bottom of the pot with half a cup of white wine. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pot just like so. Bring the wine to a simmer and let it reduce to about half. Then add 3½ cups of heavy cream. Simmer over medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes or until beginning to thicken. Then bring the chicken back into the pot, followed by the fresh parsley. Give that a quick stir to combine. Add the cooked pasta and combine. And finally add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a final toss to incorporate the cheese in. All left to do is to serve and enjoy. You may garnish with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley. Now I think you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, creamy chicken fettuccine alfredo. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.